What's the name of this place?
Glory Hole?
Glory Hole Falls. Don't get any big ideas, people.
I've seen so many images I can't wait to see it for myself.
Glory Hole on the 4th of July. But I'm really liking this trail. So much more open and peaceful.
Whoa, got me.
Ooh, it's time for the spider web sticks.
Your hand. Ew. Oh, I think you got it on me.
Yeah,
Alright, transfer.
time for spider sticks. The glory hole looks like a big toilet for aliens or giants.
Yeah, sweet.
Ah! That's nutty.
See the bottom?
I can see through it, yeah. This one's pretty massive. Super slick. Gotta watch your step. But there's all kinds of space down there. This tree is crazy. Those roots are, they look like something out of the movie Avatar. Some of these boulders are crazy. Crazy huge. They're all green and mossy. It's pretty back here.
Yeah.
Baby little copperhead.
Keep trekking, find a smoke spot.
Oh, I can do that.
Look at that son of a bee. Alright, man. See you later. It's a lot harder and hot on the way back. When you're going into waterfalls, you're going down. So you gotta go straight up on the way out. It's super hot and humid. But talk about a beautiful hike. And the sun's coming out. Super pretty. Definitely gotta work for it.